Hello and welcome to our video on what is HTML and why is it important. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of HTML and showing you how to create a basic HTML page with the HTML, head, and body tags. So, let's start with the basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the standard markup language used to create web pages. HTML provides the structure and content of a web page, and it's important because without HTML, the web would not exist. Let's break down the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document starts with an HTML tag, which defines the document as an HTML file. Inside the HTML tag, we have two main sections, the head and the body. The head section contains information about the document, such as the page title, metadata, and links to CSS style sheets. The body section contains the content of the web page, such as text, images, and other media. Now let's put it all together and create a basic HTML page. We'll start by typing out the HTML, head, and body tags, and then add some content to the body section. So, we start with the HTML tag, then add the head and body tags inside it. In the body section, we can add any content we want, such as text, images, or links. And there you have it. You've just created your first HTML web page. That's all for this video on what is HTML and why is it important. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on HTML and web development. Thank you for watching.